Courtney Kibitza with Stalls TV, and welcome to the Heat Transfer Product Guide video on CAD Color's SuperTEK Sublistop. When it comes to printing performance wear, you need a heat transfer material that performs just like the fabric that it applies to. The Tech line from Stalls has a sticks-to adhesive that allows it to perform specifically for performance wear and sportswear applications. The adhesive has a low temperature application that works perfect for performance wear, and also has a soft, lightweight fill with a lot of stretch, so it works great for compression fabrics. This video specifically is going to dive into SuperTEK Sublistop, which has an added benefit. This product is actually designed to block dye migration, another popular challenge when printing performance wear. If you're printing a dark color performance wear, maybe a red, black, or navy, you may come across dye migration, where the inks from the fabric actually come through the transfer and change the color of the transfer, making it muddy or completely changing the color to maybe a lighter version of the fabric. This product has a special adhesive called the Onyx Sticks-to adhesive. So the black charcoal adhesive that's on the back of it will block those dyes from coming through to the transfer. Let's take a look at how this product performs on a red polyester garment. To start to create our full color logos, we'll print them out on the Roland VersaCAM print and cut machine. Once the images have been printed, we'll have to cut around them using the cut feature on the print and cut machine. Whenever you're cutting around the logos in SuperTEK Sublistop, keep in mind that if you're cutting through the ink, you'll want to let the print dry for 30 minutes prior to cutting. Otherwise, you can cut immediately onto the material. When weeding SuperTEK Sublistop, you'll begin to see the performance capabilities on just how this material performs and stretches. I recommend pulling away from the design when weeding to speed it up and make it easier. Next comes the masking step. For the heat transfer taper mask that's used with SuperTEK Sublistop, you'll want to use the Solutions mask to ensure that you're getting the correct application and lift on the transfer. For the heat application, I'm going to be using a red performance hoodie that I'm worried about dye migration with. Once I have my hoodie loaded on straight onto the 11x15 platen, I'll preheat just to get some of the moisture and wrinkles out. And then I'll take my transfer and get it ready to apply. Now before I apply the SuperTEK Sublistop transfer, I wanted to reference the charcoal Onyx STIX2 adhesive that I mentioned in the beginning of the session. Different from other heat transfers that have a white adhesive, you'll notice this one has a black or a charcoal backing. That's what helps to make sure the dyes are going to be blocked on this red polyester fabric, and my transfer will stay a durable print and keep its true color. For the application on this performance wear hoodie, I'm going to be using SuperTEK Sublistop's 280-degree low temperature transfer. This application will help to eliminate any scorching or issues I traditionally see with synthetic performance garments. It applies in 2 steps at 280 degrees. The first step will be for 5 seconds in a medium pressure. And then once I have that step complete, I'm going to remove my cover sheet and peel back the carrier. For the second application, I'm just going to recover and seal for another 5 seconds at 280 degrees. Remove my cover sheet, and I've got a completed design ready to sell to any customer. For hard to decorate items or challenging fabrics like this, SuperTEK Sublistop makes the perfect choice for your business to keep your images true to their color on every fabric. Let's recap the material. SuperTEK Sublistop has a soft, lightweight fill on the garment, so it keeps your transfer lightweight just like the item you're printing. It also has a lot of stretch, so it moves with compression fabrics that may be challenging to decorate. The Onyx STIX2